someone that's got a 2018 onward, I would say, with a DAB, the radio station, if you say. Disconnect battery or change battery, you lose all the store stations and no signal. Press present, nothing. What you do, station, press station. The whole is to tune item down. Then you get the station. Up. Yeah, 90 signal. 0%. There we go. There we go. The station now. Oops. There. DAB Perth working. Thank you for watching.